In this demo, I will show you how to install Ansible and configure one host. You will need to have Git, Vagrant, and VirtualBox installed to do this yourself. First, you will need to open a terminal. Then, I'm going to create a new directory called Ansible, where I will put my Vagrant project. I'm going to clone my Git repository from GitHub called Ansible demo.git. This will download the Vagrant file and some example playbooks that we will use later on. From the Ansible demo folder that has been created by Git, I'm going to copy the Vagrant file. This is the Vagrant file. It looks exactly the same as the Vagrant file I showed you during the lecture. We're going to bring the boxes up, Vagrant up web server, and Vagrant up Ansible. Both machines are now up, so I'm going to do Vagrant SSH Ansible. I'm going to install Ansible. I used apt-get install to do that. And now I'm going to generate a key pair. I will use SSH keygen to do that. I didn't use a passphrase, so the passphrase is just empty. Now I need to copy the public key, drsa.pub, to the other machine, the web server machine. So I'm just going to copy this, SSH to the other machine, and I'm going to echo this text and then put this text into authorized keys. I have to do this as sudo because I need root to write to these authorized keys. I'm going back to my Ansible server. I'm going to generate the host file. So I'll just edit it. You can also use echo if you're not familiar with an editor. So I add the web servers group and then the IP address of the web server. Now I will try to ping the web server. First, I have to make sure that I run SSH agent and I add the private key. Now I'll run Ansible using my host file, using the root login, and what I will want to do is ping all. I enter yes, and I get a pong back, so it was successful. So you now successfully installed Ansible. In the next lecture, we'll see how we can run a playbook.